Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open Tesla Model Y door when battery is dead. Start by locating the small plastic cover on the rear door edge and remove it with a flat tool. Once exposed, pull the manual release lever firmly toward the rear to unlatch the door. Test the door gently to ensure it opens fully and stay calm while performing each step. Gather a flat plastic pry tool and gloves before you begin, and make sure the car is parked and secured. Avoid metal tools that can damage trim or paint, and keep fingers clear of moving parts. If you feel resistance, stop and reassess to prevent breakage. These precautions make the process safer and reduce the chance of costly repairs or injury while you access the manual release. First, remove the inspection cover and look for the manual release lever, which is usually metal or colored plastic. Carefully insert your pry tool to gain access, then pull the lever firmly toward the rear to disengage the latch. Once the door opens, check the latch and surrounding area for debris or damage and schedule professional service if anything looks abnormal to ensure long-term reliability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.